What's up, guys? Tony Gabriel back again. I know I'm a little cut up right here, but I'm not worried about that. But figure I'd make another YouTube video. I got a question for you guys. For a new project, should I go buy a 1977 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive and stick a Cummins in it motor, or should I stick a 6.0 Power Stroke motor in it? Or my next truck's gonna be a old Chevy C10 pickup truck with a Duramax LBZ Duramax motor into it and fix it up. Please let me know. Yeah, so I'm going to be getting my license here soon and picking up my Ford Power Stroke, and I'm going to buy a PJ gooseneck trailer so I could tow my projects to my buddy's house, Brandon Wickman, because I'm going to be working at B&H Racing and going to be doing everything by myself, and you know, get the trucks done, and hopefully YouTube can give me some money so I can buy more project vehicles, fix them up, flip them, and sell them. That's what I want to do. I want to buy cars, fix them up, sell them, and whatever car or truck I like, I'll keep it and drive it. So, and my other project is going to be my four-wheeler, which I'm thinking about taking the whole entire motor out of it, getting it rebuilt, and getting my frame powder coated red to match the bike, because I got a lot of rust spots and stuff on it, but that's later on down the road. So I'll be fixing that up here soon. And I'm waiting to get back to work at BWI Airport. So with this coronavirus is killing everybody, that and the pandemic, it needs to go. I'm like so fed up with this pandemic and this whole corona crap. It just needs to go bye-bye, because I'm like sick of it. So hopefully I'll be going to work here soon at B&H Racing, and hopefully going back to work with BWI Airport with Alliance. So just another day in paradise, y'all. Just me sitting in the house, sitting in my room, playing my PlayStation games every night, and watching TV, and going to bed at 9 o'clock, and getting it up and doing it all over again the next day. So, please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, people. I'm going to be making more videos soon. I know the last 3 videos are me talking, but I'm going to definitely get into working on projects here shortly and getting some more contacts to you guys, like more videos. So if you like what you see, please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be making more videos here shortly. This is T Money out. Peace.